Blocks in SolidWorks have a few uses, but mainly they're a great way of saving time. They allow you to easily store parts of a sketch to your library so you can reuse them in other parts by simply dragging in the block. In this example, I'll create a block from our Solid Solutions logo that I've sketched out. I'll firstly select the whole sketch, right click, and click Make Block. I'll click the tick, and that is the block created. We now want to save that to our library, so we'll right click on the block and add to the library. We'll give it an appropriate name, click the tick, and as you can see, it's come through to our design library. We can now start using this in our designs. Here I have a box that I want to cut the logo out of, so I simply drag it on, click the tick, and now I can do a cut extrude from that sketch. Let's quickly look at another example. Here I've made a block that I want to edit and create a new block from. This is the block I've made, and I just want to do some simple additions to it. To make changes, you can either select Edit Block or choose to explode the block, which turns it back into a regular sketch entity. In this case, I'll explode the block. Now I just want to make the changes that I want to make, so I'll make both holes the same size. I can now save this as a new block and add it to the library as a new block as well. As you can see, the original block stays the same and the edited one can come in as well.